Okay, so we know what major seventh chords are and dominant seventh chords. What we're going to do now is I'm going to play a series of seventh chords. They will either be major seven or dominant seven. And you're going to listen in and see if you can figure out what kind of chord it is. Is it a major seventh chord? Or is it a dominant chord? Okay, remember the major chord has that nice, very happy kind of sound. Because that major seventh, the dominant seventh chord, has a little tension in there that's created by these two notes. Okay, the third and the seventh. So major kind of happy, dominant has a little edge to it, little tension. Okay, here we are, number one. Number one again. Number two. Number two again. Is it major or dominant? Number three. Number three again. Number four, major or dominant? Number four again. Number five. Number five again. Number six. Number six again. And the last one, number seven. Number seven again. Major or dominant?